Annette and I am going to change my sweet cute Oliver, and I hope you can see him good this way. I try out some new things because of the bad weather and things like that and not very much light. I was thinking about cars. I have this lovely sweater with a car on it. So I was thinking maybe I can put this on Oliver. It's size, let me see, 62, so maybe it's a little bit too big for him. But yeah, I can try. I was thinking I can do it with a white pair of trousers, or with this is maybe also nice. I think I'm going to use this, or maybe the jeans with the white inside. So I can do, maybe I'm going to do that. Let's see how this works. I was also thinking about the sleeper with the planet, but yeah, you have also already seen that. But yeah, that's also with this thing, with this sweater, but it's getting colder here, so I was thinking, okay, then a sweater is nice for him. So let's change him. He is in a lovely outfit already, but I thought you didn't see Oliver for maybe, I don't know, for a longer time. I have to check and see. Sometimes I don't know anymore which baby is actually the turn for which baby it is, because you know I am sitting sometimes with one of my babies and then I don't know anymore which one was the latest on the video. So you can always leave in a comment if you want to see a baby of me. Yeah, I don't have a large collection, but still it's a collection, so you can always, oh, this is rocking very much. I have to block it maybe. Yeah, okay, sorry, this is better. I've blocked it, that it cannot rock anytime, and I don't know if this will work. But yeah, you know, we have to see. I'm going to take him out for a minute to put on his trousers. It's a little bit tiny for him, so maybe he is bigger as I was thinking, because last time I put it on Simon, so you see? Oh, yeah, he's a sweet boy, and he's here with his t-shirt. Come and play with me, little friend. For St. Patrick's Day that was. Oh yeah, that's already a few weeks ago. Yeah. Yesterday evening I was watching the movie of James from Jenny's Joy, and then I was changing my Rafaela in the sleeper, the yellow sleeper that I did get from Jenny. So that was nice. I made some pictures of Rafaela together with her brother James at the background on the television screen. That was very nice. So yeah, that was what I did. It's difficult to change when you are sitting on the ground. And can try out. Eh? Yes, we can try out, little boy. Yes. And he's in his lovely onesie with a zebra on it. You can see it, maybe, maybe not. So yeah. He's such a cute boy. There's a little bit shadow in his face, like this. So, yeah. So it's better. Hmm? Yeah. And well, there are you, Kickadoo. Yeah. Yeah. It's lovely to make your own reborn baby, you know? I really like that. And I'm looking forward to put the reborn baby all together. Yeah, still painting, of course. Huh? Yeah, still painting. Your brother or sister. Don't know yet what it will be. Yeah. And now you have a sweater with a car on it. Little traveler on the move, it's saying. Yeah, you will be a little traveler on the move. So, well, you're a cute boy in it. Yes, yes, you are. It fits you really well. I was thinking it's too big for you, but it fits you really well. Let's see if we can come together on the camera. What do you think? Shall we do that? Shall we do that, little boy? And let's take your Lovey with you, your zebra from April, and your pacifier clip from the sweet daughter of April. She made it for you. Maybe I can put it on here. So, Oliver. Well, you don't need the pacifier at the moment, huh? Yeah, you don't need it. So, let's see how we can do that. Come together on the camera. So, here we are. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, sorry, I'm going to take that out, of course. I don't know if you can see us. I'm here with Mickey friends, and here is my sweet, cute Oliver. And I think I'm going to change it because we're sitting in the shadow. You cannot see him this way. I will make another part of the video. Okay. Okay, we have to try out. I really don't know if you can see me. Maybe you cannot see me anymore. But yeah, if you can see sweet Oliver, then it's good. So, sweet cute Oliver is here. And I will make some pictures of him. And we can try out. We can see how this works. Huh? Can we, little one? Yeah. So yeah, it's a really nice journey I make with painting. Here is the car for Oliver. He's cute in this, and he's warm for the snow that's coming on here. There's coming some snow on here in Belgium. This night it will get snow, and tomorrow probably it will be melting away very soon. But it's going to snow here, so it's becoming winter again on the 1st of April. So, and you're made by April, you know. Yeah, you're made by April. So you are really warm up now in your sweater. Knitted sweater with the cables on it. Yes, you are. So, well, I wanted to say hello to all of you, and yeah, this is my part of Team Thursday cars. Of course, I could also dress my girls in pink, but I thought you have seen my girls very often already last time, and I wanted to come on with my sweet, cute Oliver. So I hope you did enjoy it to see me and sweet Oliver. So I hope you can see him good enough. That's always yeah, always a trick, always a guess how things work out with the lighting, with sitting here. And I wanted to come on with my sweater, friends on it, Mickey's friends, you are my friends. And yeah, wish you a very blessed day and love you all, dear friends from all over the world. Australia, USA, Montreal, Canada, UK. It's so amazing that I can have contact with you. Yeah, so bye bye, love you all. Oh yeah, and you can leave in your description from which part of the world you are. That's maybe nice. And I have some new subscribers, and I want also to say that you are very welcome. And yeah, leave in your comment if you want where you live, and then I can mention that maybe sometimes, maybe one time in the video. And yeah, I hope you can see my head, because else I have to make another video. So okay, bye bye.